In this video, we will show you how you can set up a destination store and connect with your source store using the Multi-Store Sync add-on in the FlexStock plugin. Before we start, if you have not set up your source store, click on the I button here to watch the video tutorial on how to do that. Great, now after you have set up your source store, go to the Multi-Store Sync dashboard of your destination store and click on Set Up My Stores. Click Next to continue. Select Destination Store and click Save and go to Dashboard. Click Connect a Store. Here, copy the store URL and store token from the source store. Next, paste them into your destination store. Now click Verify Connection and continue. Pick the Google Sheet tab where synced products should appear, or create a new one on the spot. For this video, we will create a new one. Click Next to continue. Review what will sync, check the confirmation box. Review all the information and check the confirmation box. Click Connect and Sync. Your stores are now connected and inventory updates automatically across both. Multi-Store Sync for FlexStock. Get started today. It's time to ditch the tab hopping.